Ziehl-Neelsen or the hot staining method. And the other one is Kinyon staining.
Familiar siya.
Or the cold method.
Bilang sa video dyan.
Sige, special request. I-post ko ni sa mga...
Ziehl-Neelsen and Kinyon staining.
Ay, wow.
So, what
Ay, wow.
is the difference between the two? Ziehl-Neelsen will require heating, while the Kinyon staining doesn't require heating at all. Okay? Freezing? No! Freezing daw, freezing. Wala, di na siya mag-require ng heating. Okay? So, these are your materials. We have your carbon-Cushing. This is the primary stain. Next is your acid alcohol for the colorizing agent. And the last is methylene blue as your counter stain. Okay? So I already prepared a fixed smear. So all you have to do is to stain it. Yeah. Yay! First, flood your smear with carbon-Cushing. Allow it to react for about 1 minute. 5 minutes. But before that, you have to place filter paper. This is a filter paper on the top of your smear. Before adding your carbon-Cushing. Okay? So, after adding the primary stain, you apply
Uso na siya rin dyan.
heat. Okay? Heat to steaming with a low Bunsen burner. But do not boil, okay? Do not boil. O sige, boil ninyo ha. Then, after that, you allow it to react for about 5 minutes. So, after 5 minutes, using your forceps, remove your filter paper. Then, decolorize it with your acid alcohol. Okay? Then, after decolorization, proceed to your counter stain, methylene blue. Okay? For about how many minutes? 20 to 30 seconds. So after methylene blue, wash it with water, then air dry or black dry, then read under oil immersion objective. Okay? So, what is the possible morphology of an acid-fast bacilli? Rods. Okay? They are rods. And the color is red because it absorbs the primary stain. Against the blue background. So your non-acid fast colors blue, while acid fast colors red. Okay? Acid fast bacilli resist decolorization because of the lipid content in the cell wall, which is the mycolic acid. Okay? Well, that's it. Let's go.
Okay, you have an assignment, huh? You have to know this one. It will possibly come out in the exams. In Ziehl-Neelsen, you need heat. Okay, you allow the stain to steam. Okay. In cold pinion staining method, you do away with the heating procedure. So, what are you going to do if you take out the heating procedure? So, what will be changed? So, you'll find that out. Google.
Okay, in case you will not see anything in your slide, there's a demo slide wherein you can see the Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Okay, if you cannot see anything in the